What I found in my favorite peanut butter changed everything. 2 months ago, I was eating peanut butter daily for protein, smooth, creamy, and seemingly healthy according to the label. Then my nutritionist asked me to read the ingredients list carefully, and what I discovered left me genuinely surprised. That innocent jar contained substances I never expected. The hidden reality behind commercial peanut butter. Most store-bought peanut butter contains hydrogenated oils, which are trans fats in disguise. According to the American Heart Association, these fats increase bad cholesterol while decreasing good cholesterol. Food manufacturers add them to prevent oil separation, but your cardiovascular system pays the price. Research published in the New England Journal of Medicine shows that consuming just 2 grams of trans fats daily increases heart disease risk by 23%. Many commercial brands contain 1 to 2 grams per serving, making this a significant concern for regular consumers. My personal peanut butter investigation. Last month, I decided to compare 5 popular brands. I spread them on paper towels and waited. Within hours, dark oil stains appeared from 3 of them. This oil was partially hydrogenated vegetable oil, not the natural peanut oil you'd expect. The ingredient list revealed corn syrup, palm oil, and artificial preservatives. Some brands contain more sugar than actual peanuts. I realized I was eating candy disguised as health food. Problem number 1, aflatoxin contamination. Peanuts grow underground, making them susceptible to mold contamination. According to the Food and Drug Administration, certain molds produce aflatoxins, which are naturally occurring toxins. While levels are regulated, chronic exposure may affect liver function over time. Organic brands aren't immune to this issue. Proper storage and processing matter more than organic certification. Look for brands that test specifically for aflatoxin levels. Problem number 2, allergenic protein concerns. Peanuts aren't actually nuts but legumes related to beans and peas. The protein structure can trigger inflammatory responses, even in people without diagnosed allergies. Digestive issues, skin problems, or fatigue after eating might indicate sensitivity. Problem number 3, processing method matters. Conventional peanut butter production involves high heat, which can create advanced glycation end products. These compounds contribute to inflammation and cellular aging, according to Diabetes Care Journal research. Raw or minimally processed alternatives maintain more beneficial nutrients. Identifying quality peanut butter options. Real peanut butter should contain only peanuts and salt. Natural oil separation is normal and healthy. If the oil stays perfectly mixed, stabilizers are likely present. Store natural versions upside down, then mix when ready to use. Almond butter and sunflower seed butter offer similar nutrition, with potentially fewer allergen concerns. These alternatives provide protein and healthy fats, without some of peanut butter's drawbacks. Portion control reality check. Even natural peanut butter contains significant calories. 2 tablespoons provide nearly 200 calories, mostly from fat. While these are healthy fats, portion size matters for weight management. Many people consume much larger servings than recommended. Reading labels effectively. Ingredients appear in descending order by weight. If peanuts aren't first, you're buying a processed food product. Avoid anything containing hydrogenated oils, corn syrup, or artificial preservatives. These additives provide no nutritional benefit. Potential health interactions. People taking blood-thinning medications should monitor peanut butter intake. The vitamin E content can affect blood clotting, though this typically requires large amounts. Discuss dietary changes with healthcare providers, especially if you take prescription medications. Making better choices practically. Grind your own peanuts at health food stores or buy brands with single ingredients. Store natural versions in the refrigerator to prevent oil rancidity and extend freshness. This simple change eliminates most processing concerns. Mix natural peanut butter with fruits instead of crackers to balance blood sugar response. The fiber helps slow absorption, preventing energy crashes later. Monitoring your body's response. Pay attention to how you feel after eating peanut butter. Digestive discomfort, skin changes, or energy fluctuations might indicate sensitivity. Elimination for 2 weeks, followed by reintroduction, can help identify personal tolerance levels.